Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ugada. Yay, I'm back. Guys, I'm so sorry I have not been posting as much as I should have. Please bear with me. I've just been trying to find my feet with this whole school stuff and trying to manage my time, but I'm getting better with it now. So yeah, anyways, without further delay, let's just get into it. So today guys, I'm going to talk to you guys about student bank. Like, student banks are favorable to international students, you know. So we obviously know what is student banks here, so I'm going to talk to you guys about everything you need to know about student bank, like choosing the best bank, knowing their APR, interest rate, bank charges. I'm just going to talk you through the whole process in what to look out for when choosing a bank, and the best banks in the UK now that offer little or no interest rates on overdraft, student overdraft. So yeah, so guys, as we all know, you guys know what is bank now. Do I have to define it? No. So let me just explain what I mean by the whole student bank account here. So you know your traditional banks, they give you like, they offer you savings and current accounts here. Banks in the UK now, they offer like student accounts for students, but you have to prove your student status or something before you can get that. You need to like get a letter from your school. So they offer like different deals and different perks, like sometimes they even give you like travel discounts, you know, health insurance, zero or no interest rates on your overdraft. They offer overdrafts, like really nice overdraft. This student account doesn't limit you. It doesn't really limit you. You can have as much accounts as you want with different banks or a particular banks. Let's say for instance you have a student bank account with HSBC, you can also have a savings account with them. So like, even if you have a student account, you can always have a savings account. Because me, I have an account with Bank of Scotland. I also have a savings account with them. So it's all in one app. Like, I access it through just one app, through one login. I can see like the different account numbers and everything. But yeah, you can have as much as you want. So as an international student, let's now talk why you need a UK account. Yeah, so you're obviously going to be paying rent. You need an account so that your rent will be going through the account. Yeah, so you need to also set up direct debits for your recurring payments here, like your gym membership, your phone bills, your rents, you know, like so many things you want to be paying for, all those membership you get online. Yeah, so you need an account for this to go through. You obviously need to pay back friends that you're owing. I don't know if you're owing. Me, I'm not owing, but like if you're owing, you need an account because you need to pay back people that you're owing. So another reason why you need an account, UK bank account, is if you're planning to work part-time, you need an account where your employers will be paying in your money. That's to save your money, obviously, except you're planning on collecting cash. But if they have to pay you weekly or monthly, you need an account. Another thing is you also need it for proof of address. So guys, the things to look out for when getting a student bank account, you need to look at the freebies. Don't be so tempted with the whole freebies. You know, some banks give you cashback, rewards, they give you insurance, free insurance, travel insurance. They give you like a percentage off from your travel, from your trip or travel, whatever, when you book through certain company or something like that. So like, they give you a lot of incentives, but you need to be careful and beware of these freebies. So you need to be smart when choosing a student bank account. Don't just consider the freebies, consider so many things. So a bank giving you like £50 bank, and a bank giving you no interest, zero interest rate on your overdrafts, which would you even go for? You will go for the zero interest rate because you're making a smart, you know, decision. Don't just be about the freebies or the deals you get from these banks. Also consider other stuff. So the next thing you need to look out for is largest students overdrafts. So like, you need to look out for banks that will offer you very good overdrafts as a student. Like, you really need to check that. So you know an arranged overdraft is a way of borrowing money from your current account. Yeah, so you need to look for banks that will give you like very good overdrafts, like over your cost of study. You need to look out for banks that offer 0 interest rates on these overdrafts, which is actually good. So you're not paying more than you're borrowing, you're paying the exact amount you're actually borrowing. With overdrafts, you can cheat the system when it comes to overdraft. So imagine like they're giving you overdraft of like 3,000 pounds for like 3 years. So some banks offer this overdraft first year, some offer it like final year. Maybe that's when you're eligible for the overdraft. So yeah, so they're giving you that. You can actually take that overdraft. You might not necessarily need it, but you can actually take it, put it in the savings account and earn interest on your savings. Do you understand? That way you're cheating the system, because it's earning you money. But one thing you need to be aware, just know the repayment condition. So this is the next thing you need to do, like when choosing banks. Like you need to read repayment conditions of overdraft or anything you're taking from the bank. So know the length you can actually have that money. Also know that once you leave uni, you're no more a student, like you're automatically switched to a graduate account. So you really need to be careful. So the first student bank account I'll look at is the NatWest Select account. So before this NatWest, they used to have a student account for just international students, but sadly it got cancelled. I'm not sure why, but the good thing now is that they have this Select account for just students, both home and abroad. Yeah, so and there's no monthly fee, there's no charges on the account, it's totally free. There's an option of overdraft, but again this depends on your personal circumstances and your credit rating. So it's not everybody that obviously applied for the overdraft that will get it. So yeah, but there's an option of overdraft, so you can look out for that. They don't really charge a lot when you want to do like international transfer, which is a good thing compared to other banks that will cut off your head. So I think they charge about £5 to £7, which is fair, depending on how much. So the next bank is Royal Bank of Scotland. Just like NatWest, this student account too is free of charge. You don't pay any maintenance fee or any monthly fee, so it's free of charge. There's an option of overdraft too. Again, this depends on your personal circumstances. So how big your overdraft is depends on your personal circumstances and your eligibilities. So yeah, and the international fee for transfer is not so much. They won't cut off your head. That's if you decide to use your bank. The next bank I'm going to talk about is HSBC bank accounts. So yeah, this is not an international student account, but it's for anyone studying in the UK. This, you also get an option of overdraft, but also know that there's no guarantee that you'll get this overdraft the first time you apply. So don't beat yourself up. No fee attached to this account, so you can also use it. So the next bank I'm going to talk about is Lloyds. So Lloyds Bank, they have this Lloyds Classic account. So this, you can't really say this is a student account, but it's really good for students. So when you're going for overdrafts, Lloyds Bank is your best option. Honestly, this classic account is the best for overdraft. And this is not a student account. Also, you won't be able to open this Lloyds Classic account if you're outside of the UK. So you have to be in the UK to open this account. There's no maintenance fee on this account, so you're good to go.